More than 27,000 people are invited to apply for Canadian permanent residency. This is a record-breaking event that happened for Canadian immigration. Let's discuss what happened, why that happened, and what will be the impact if you're planning to apply for Canadian immigration. Before we move further, if you haven't subscribed the channel, press the subscribe and the bell icon so that you keep on getting these kind of Canadian immigration related updates. Let's continue. So as usual, every other week, express entry draws were happening, PNP draws, CEC draws, but FSW was not happening. So suddenly, on a Saturday, an express entry draw happened and the CRS cutoff was 75. It was unimaginable because that never happened in the history. Last time it happened in May 2017 and the minimum CRS was 199, but it never dropped to 75. So when I looked at the website, I was shocked. I thought that it's a glitch, some mistake has happened and they will rectify it. So after a few articles, after checking few websites, I got to know that it is sure because they invited more than 27,000 people. To be exact, 27,332 people. And anyone who were there in the express entry pool having CRS score of 75 will get an ITA within 24 hours and they will be able to apply for Canadian PR. That was a shocking news. I will not say it is very surprising. I will definitely say it is a shocking news because no one could have even predicted that CRS can even drop to 75. Like me, there were other people who were shocked. Even registered IRCC consultants were even shocked that what happened. CRS dropped to 75. That's why IRCC has to release a public announcement and I will give the link in the description. They explained why they did it and I will also discuss why that happened. So basically what happened, people who were having Canadian experience, let's say more than 1 year of experience and their CRS was 75 or above, they got the ITA. So they cleared the pipeline for CC. All the candidates who applied for CSC got the invitation to apply for PR. So that's amazing. I will discuss the impact at the end of the video, but that did happen. And the tiebreaker rule for this draw is 12th of September 2020. So if someone was having score of 75 and entered in the pool before 12th of September compared to someone who entered in the pool after 12th of September, the person who entered in the pool before 12th of September and having score of 75 will get an ITA, but the person who has 75 and entered after 12th of September will not get an ITA. So that is the importance of entering in the pool as soon as possible because people were having score of 300, they were CEC candidate, they never thought that they can even get an ITA, they never entered in the pool. Anything can happen. Last year, because of this pandemic, unusual events are happening. Same is happening in the Canadian immigration. In last few months of 2020, I share few updates which was shocking and this is the second month of 2021 and this is something which is, you can say, record breaking. Similar events may happen, so stay updated with all the news and enter in the pool if you are planning for Canadian immigration. There is a link down below. You can talk to the consultant, and if you have received the ITA for CEC, do not mess up uploading your documents incorrectly. So that will be very important that you get 90 days to upload all your documents. Do not miss any chance because this might not happen again. It will not drop to 75 again. Now let's just imagine the velocity of this draw, how big this draw is. Usually they invite 5,000 people, 4,000 people, but this time they invited 27,000 people, which is 6 times of a express entry draw. So in a month, generally 2 draws happen. So this draw is equivalent to 3 months of draw. So this is equivalent to 6 draws. There may be some positive impacts of it and there might be negative impacts of it. We will discuss that later on. Now, as I mentioned, the CRS cutoff is 75. Who can get a CRS of 75? A person over 50 years of age, a person who doesn't even have a graduation, a person who has 5 bands in IELTS. So just imagine this is the minimum you can have in express entry pool for a CEC program. There were so many people who were in Canada. Let's say 90% of the people are in Canada who got this invitation and they have more than 1 year of experience. But do not get disheartened if you are a CSC candidate and you did not enter in the pool. This is just the beginning. So the learning is enter in the pool as soon as possible. You don't know. It can happen for FSW draws, it can happen for PNP as well. So the importance of entering in the pool as soon as possible has now increase, because anything can happen now because of this travel restriction, whatever is happening for immigration, whatever is happening for the expired COPR. So all of that in turn IRCC to take these kind of unusual decisions. So I discussed what has happened today. Now let's discuss why that happened. So as you know, that target for this year is 400,000 immigrants, and because of this draw only 27,000 people are out of the pool. So still there are a lot of candidates that IRCC has to invite in this year in order to meet that target. So they will be taking these kind of decisions. Otherwise, if they will keep on inviting 5,000 people in every draw, target will not be met. Another reason why that happened. So these 27,000 people, as I mentioned, they are having Canadian experience. 90% of the people are in Canada, they are working here. So just imagine if they would have invited 27,000 people from outside Canada, there would be a huge job crisis. On the other hand, most of these people are already having Canadian experience. They will not have any difficulties finding the job, or they might already have a job in hand right now. Another reason, travel restriction. As you know that Canada is still struggling with this pandemic. Lockdowns are happening, files are not being processed. For last year, there are so many people who are having COPR expired and they are not able to travel to Canada. So because of this pandemic, this vaccine situation, there is a crisis going on. So they are not preferring to invite people who are outside Canada, but they have taken the advantage of people who are already in Canada and added value in the Canadian economy already. So they kind of rewarded them. Another reason is that these CEC candidates were quick wins, like low-hanging fruit, I would say, for IRCC if they want to meet the target for 400,000 immigrants this year. Plus all the reason that I mentioned you, that they are adding value to the Canadian economy. They already have job, they have Canadian experience. Onboarding people from outside Canada will take a toll on Canadian economy and the system, like newcomer program and everything. And they don't want to do that because they are already struggling with this pandemic, vaccine situation and all. So instead of putting immigration on hold, they are utilizing this CEC pool. So now let's discuss the impact of this. I discuss why that happened. Let's discuss what will be the impact, what will be the future impact of all this. Now, first impact is, as I mentioned, 27,000 people are out of the pool. So every month, I'm sure that these many people will not enter in the pool. So the total pool for express entry program will be very light. If the express entry draw will happen for FSW, which is unlikely because they already did a huge draw, and even if they do not do any express entry draw for next 3 months, there won't be any impact because they have fulfilled the target for 3 months because they invited 27,000 people. But in case the FSW express entry draw will happen, my prediction is the CRS will be low, like below 470. It will not be high because people are already out of the pool. Second impact is, you know that every province has some target to invite immigrants on a PNP program. So let's say, take example of Alberta. They quoted that they will invite 5,000 immigrants in Alberta through PNP, but now there will be most of the candidates who were there in the CEC pool got picked up in this 27,000 invitation. So it kind of, they cleared all the CEC pipeline. Now they will have to come up with new suggestions, new techniques by which they will be able to fulfill their target. So they might be little lenient on the job offer. Previously, the emphasis was on getting the job offer, but that may slightly change if they want to meet the target. Third impact, whenever, like right now, there are travel restriction, FSW draws might not happen because you know that last year there were so many people for who the COPR was expired, they are not able to enter to Canada. This year, even if they provide COPR to the FSW candidate, they will not be able to enter Canada, right? Let's say once this situation gets fixed, vaccine is there, travel restriction are lift off, maybe after, let's say July or August, if the FSW draw will start happening, you may see this kind of unusual big draw for FSW as well. So if this kind of FSW draw will happen, you can imagine the CRS score has to drop drastically. So that is the importance of entering in the pool as soon as possible. So if you need any guidance, talk to the immigration consultant. There is a link down below. You can book your appointment if you are planning to come to Canada this year. If you are not planning to come to Canada, then just relax. Let the things settle. Let's see what's the job market if you are under 30. Otherwise, if you will start crossing 30 years of age, your CRS will start decreasing. So take your time, take a final decision, do all the analysis whether you should move to Canada or not. There are so many videos on our channel, on this video, on our Hindi channel as well. You can decide whether you should move to Canada or not. But if you have decided that you should move to Canada, enter in the pool as soon as possible. That will be my suggestion. At last, congratulations to everyone who has received the ITA, 27,332 people. You deserve it. You added value to the Canadian economy. So celebrate and do not mess up filing your documentation. You will get 90 days. All the best. Do not leave without liking the video and commenting down below if you have any question. You can join the Facebook group as well if you have any question. There are more than 130,000 people who will be able to help you. Till next time, stay safe and stick around.